Welcome to part 2 of our series on using the Libby app. In this video, we will walk through navigating the different menus, how to use the search tab, and how to borrow an item or place it on hold. There will be timestamps below if you want to jump ahead to a specific part. Along the bottom of the screen, in what is known as the footer, you will see the following icons. The magnifying glass is used to search for titles. The building is the library. This is what you tap on to browse the collection. The 3 horizontal lines, also known as a hot dog menu, is where you can customize the settings of the app, add another library card, get help, and more. The stack of books is your shelf. This is the menu that will allow you to see your loans, holds, and magazines, as well as access your borrowing history, known as your timeline, and check your notices. Lastly, the tag is the menu that will allow you to view and manage your tags, which we will go into more detail. If you would like to label these navigation icons, Libby has made it incredibly easy to do so. First, tap on the hot dog menu in the center, then scroll to the settings and select navigation. Scroll down and you should see a switch which is titled labeled icons. Tap that switch to turn it on, and you should now have labels under your navigation icons. Up first, we will start with the shelf, as this is the default homepage when you open the app. What you will see in front of you is 2 categories, your shelf and your magazine rack. Under shelf, you have your loans, your holds, and your timeline and notices. If you haven't borrowed anything on Libby using this card, then there will be nothing to display just yet. Up the top, you will see a button titled Actions. If you tap on that, it will give you 3 options. Synchronize shelf, which will update your holds and loans. Change download rules, which will allow you to alter some settings around the downloading of items. The default settings are everything and download only on Wi-Fi, which for the most part, the default settings are sufficient. Lastly, you have suspend all holds, which, as the name suggests, will allow you to suspend your holds if you currently have very little time to read or perhaps too many titles in progress. The benefit of this is that you don't remove yourself from the waitlist. Instead, you will continue moving up the queue until your suspension either runs out or you turn it off. The Library tab is somewhat of a homepage for the entire Libby catalogue. It allows you to browse the different collections by genre or by format. At the top, you will see several tabs you can select for quick searching. These include Newest, Popular, Random, and Available Now. Selecting any of these will take you to a page relevant to those tabs. For example, selecting Newest will show you all the titles that have been recently added. Alongside these quick search tabs is a set of 3 horizontal lines of different sizes. This is known as a strawberry menu, which, when opened, will display the different filters you can apply that will change what appears on the home screen. You can select any of these by simply tapping on the filters you wish to apply. The filters are broken up by subject, the format, such as ebook or e-audiobook, the availability, how you wish to sort these items, the audience that it was intended for, the language that the title is available in, and lastly, what format the title is available to be read with. Also displayed on the library page is the Libby Book Club, which is an online event run by Libby and allows unlimited borrowing of that particular title. The Tags menu allows you to create specific lists. For example, if you wanted to create a list of titles for a book club you are part of, simply go to the Actions menu up the top and then tap on New Tag. This will allow you to type in a name, as well as a description of the tag. Then hit Create. To add titles to these tags, it is a matter of searching the title you wish to add and tapping on the tag icon and selecting which tag you wish to add it to. The Search menu works like a standard search function. Up the top is a dialog box into which you can type whatever specific title you are looking for and selecting Enter. For example, if we were to type in Stephen Fry, you will see that we have 24 audiobooks and 12 ebooks available to us. If you want to narrow that further by format, you can select either option or the strawberry menu and apply any of the filters that we saw previously, which will allow you to refine your search even more. Next to the title's cover, you will see 3 options. Place, hold, or borrow, which allows you to either place the title on hold or borrow it if it is available. Play sample or read sample, which allows you to listen or read a very small section of the title. And lastly, you have tag, which, as mentioned before, allows you to add the title to one of your custom lists. Lastly, we have the Menu tab. We will go through this incrementally. Up first, we have your library cards. You can add a new card or manage your existing ones. If you select Manage Cards, you can change the colours of your card by tapping on the word Personalize found underneath. If you tap on the small circle in the bottom right of the card with 3 dots inside it, also known as a meatball menu, you will have the options to verify your card, which will ask you to sign in and make sure the details are correct. Rename Card, which will allow you to give the card a more specific name, and lastly, Remove Card, which will remove the card from your account. Going back to the menu, scrolling down further, you will see Settings, which will allow you to customize your notification settings, making sure you don't miss out on any holds you've been waiting on. There is the accessibility options. These are designed to make the experience of using the app more accessible. The download settings, which are also accessible through your shelf, allow you to select which of your loans should be automatically downloaded. The navigation settings allow you to alter the buttons between sections of the app, such as applying labels to them, as we did earlier, as well as showing or hiding your current title. The last setting is language, which allows you to change the language that Libby displays. This is only for the app and is separate from the rest of your device. Underneath the settings is Your Information. You will be able to back up your data from the app, copy your settings to another device, run diagnostics and analytics if you're experiencing an issue, read the privacy statement or reset everything in the app. This will remove your card and all of your settings. Underneath that, we have the Help and Support heading, which has a Contact Your Library section, which will show you the details and directions to the library you signed up with, and the Take Our Survey section, which will open up a survey to provide feedback to Libby about various elements of the app. Under that is a search bar if you are looking for help on a specific topic, as well as links to other various parts such as the legal information or technical information. Well done! For more instruction on how to use Libby, please watch the other videos in this series. We will be linking them below and at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please click like if this video was helpful.